This is your Google Sites project instructions. So you are creating a teacher website. This website will be used when you get to your senior seminar for student teaching with Ms. Poston. So this is where you will begin it. And then when you get to Ms. Poston, you'll tweak it and make it perfect for sending it to principals to apply for jobs. So I'm going to quickly go over the instructions here. If you have questions, let me know. So first you're going to create a Google site. So basically go into your Google Site folder, right click, and find Google Sites, and then you'll be able to create a new site right there. This is your information hub for your parents and your students, so it needs to be informative and helpful. I suggest always going out and looking at what other teachers have created on their websites to give you some ideas. So your homepage must have welcome information and a professional image. You can add information about yourself, or you can create an About Me page. But either way, your homepage needs to be like a welcome to your classroom. You need a parent page that contains relevant information for parents. I put some examples in the rubric, which we'll go over in a second. The newsletter page needs to contain at least one newsletter. So you're going to create a pretend newsletter for your class, and then a space for future newsletters to appear. The student resource page needs to have resources for the students. You can, it's not required, but you can post the resources you've already created for this class, like your Google Docs, your Google Slides, your forms. You can reuse everything you've already created for this class on this website, because this is a great resource to send with your resume to show your technology knowledge and that you've already done all of this work. You're required to insert a Google Calendar. So I had you do a Google Calendar on week 8, and I told you to put 3 pretend dates on it. You can reuse that Google Calendar. Other requirements: insert a document or a slide from your Google Drive. Again, reuse the stuff you've already created. Insert a hyperlinked image or words, and insert a Google form. Use one of the Google Forms or all of your Google Forms that you created for week 8. And then check it for typos. So this is the rubric. You've got all the information that I just told you. So obviously you're shooting for excellent here. Your website contains a homepage with a professional image. The parent page contains 3 or more relevant resources. The newsletter page contains at least one sample newsletter and makes it clear that future newsletters will be automatically posted. That is in another video to show you how to do that. Resources for projects, websites, etc. are present for your students. Your Google Calendar is up with at least 3 entries. Multiple Google Docs or slides that are relevant to the classroom are inserted. Again, use your student samples that you've already created. Functioning hyperlinked images and words are present. Relevant Google Forms are inserted. And the document contains no grammatical mistakes. So pretty straightforward information here that I'm looking for. I've also created other videos walking you through how to use Google Sites. It's pretty simple and intuitive, but if I were you, I suggest watching those videos just to watch me do it and see how it works. I'm always available if you have questions or need help for extras or adding anything to your website. I will try to find, I have a linked list of past students' websites so you can get an idea of what theirs look like, so you can kind of, get together your thoughts and what you want yours to look like. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know.